Alright, got Nick Ebbers 1 here. We're gonna go out and do some shooting here. It's about 6 degrees out here in Minnesota, and you know, why not? It's cold as sin out, but hey, this is what happens. Gotta leave the vehicle running too, because I don't want to be cold. I really don't want to be cold while reloading. Yeah. You want to rack off a mag real quick? Hun bun? Woo! That fucker's hit me in the head. Wow. She, of course, is using the Bersa Thunder 380. Then I am using my Bersa TPR9. We did bring a little target to shoot too, but we'll pull that out later. Probably now, pull it out. Put 2 targets on it. I get top, Kayla gets bottom. And yeah. See how the gun likes some new type of ammunition too here. I've got this Federal Field and Range and this Winchester service grade. So we'll see what happens here.
Okay.
Hi guys, we got some of that Federal I showed you in here, full mag, and we're gonna see, well 15 and 17, but we're gonna see what kind of kickback it has, you know, what kind of accuracy. Is it gonna cycle through the gun? Is it gonna have any failures or anything like that? But let's see. Accurate too for just point and aim, pretty much. I'm not even using the sights. Alright, ladies and gents, one thing I do want to point out that's different about this stuff is the Federal, and this stuff is the Winchester. See how it's got a blunt tip on it? Don't know what that's supposed to mean, but you know, hey, we're gonna try it out. Got a full magazine, or well, 15 round mag, 15 round. It holds 17. Gun's amazing. I'm gonna see how the Winchester does real quick, and I do have some Tula in this one, but I'm gonna keep that because Tula's hard to find, and I like it. And it functions just flawlessly through my gun, no matter how many rounds I put through it. By the way, the gun has not been cleaned since our last couple of outings that I didn't record. Probably shot 600-700 rounds through it, and you know, haven't cleaned it yet. Just trying to see when she actually decides to fail. But hey, it should be fun, you know. Alright guys, got that Winchester in here. Let's see how she performs real quick. Oh, there's one. Winchester had a failure to eject. Strike primer. And spent casing. Failure to eject. failure to ejects. And double feed actually, because it didn't eject it and it tried to feed the next one. So we're gonna shoot through all that real quick and not say a word about it here. Apparently the Bersa TPR9 does not like that Winchester military grade stuff. So.
Alright.
Alright guys, this is a 380. Let's see if I can pull these out here. This is a 9. Substantial difference in length, but bullet sizes, or casing size is the same as a 9mm. This is from my honey stash for her 380, but what brand is this again?
Sig.
This is 6 Hour Elite Performance Series 380. What's fun about that and a 9mm is it fits right in there. Fits right in there, and it doesn't cycle, but it does shoot. Here's that one right there, down on the ground. But just for simple purposes of getting rid of that Winchester stuff, I'm gonna try get this gun going real hot here. Oh, another fail. Another fail on the last round, too. And one mag. Try and do another mag here real quick. Another mag down. Oh, I had that thing going real good too, and then it failed. Oh, why do you have to fail? Ah. Alright, food for thought here. I just kind of realized, and thank you, honey, for bringing that up. My gun has never liked Winchester. Her Bersa has never liked Winchester. None of, like, any kind of Bersa that I know of has liked to shoot Winchester. And I kind of figured that out again today. I was like, it doesn't like Winchester. And of course, last videos that I've, had or done or shot with, Winchester was the one to fail. This Federal, on the other hand, I'm gonna try a full mag of that and see how she does. Just an absolutely full mag, and I'm gonna try a mag dump and see what happens after it's been failing in the gun already. So we'll just see what happens here.
Alright.
I got the Federal loaded up. We're gonna see if the gun's either dirty or it just doesn't like Winchester. But I do love this about this gun. I will do that again. Is you can have the slide lock back. Put the other round here. You can have the slide lock back. You take this and you just tap it. She loads. She's loader chamber indicator is fully adapt. By the way, I am not sponsored by Winchester, Federal, any ammunition company. I buy the stuff myself. I go out and shoot it, and I let y'all know how it does in my gun. If you have this gun, you'll kind of know what I'm talking about when I say it doesn't like Winchester. Try to shoot Winchester through it, even when it's clean, it still has a tendency to jam. I don't know why. Let's do a mag up on this. What do you think, hon?
Yeah.